Production and broadcast of the John Wayne Theater is made possible in part by Mercy Theaters, a subsidiary of Yakima Theatres, Incorporated.
In any program I've been associated with, the problem has always been we can't build the darn thing. Takes too many changes, we work too much overtime, we can't meet our goals. And typically on new programs, the first management team in to try and manufacture that product fails. They are removed because the process overwhelms the individuals. No matter how hard they work, the product refuses to cooperate. It was not developed correctly.
Concurrent engineering, considered by some to be at the core of America's future success. Yet at the same time, it is one of the least understood subjects today. What is concurrent engineering? Why is it so important to American industry?
Concurrent engineering is basically a computer implementation of team development, of manufacturing support, design people, all sitting around the table, determining jointly what that product should be. So if you're dealing with a small company that people still can't sit around the table, then they probably are doing concurrent engineering already. But the issues really come up when you get into a larger company like this DARPA DICE project, which is the DARPA initiative on concurrent engineering that GE is doing. The problem there is to design a jet engine, they have 600-700 engineers located in 3 or 4 locations around the country. And how do you get those people to communicate? You can't put 700 people around a table.
We intentionally decided that we really wanted to start this process up in the very early product development phase. That's where we make the decisions that, in effect, determine product cost. We're literally making all the decisions that set cost. So we said, let's focus in on that phase and let all participate in product definition, such that when we get to the point when we're ready to release that product to manufacturing, we've earned the right to start production. That's the target. That's the goal that we're at.
Good way to do it.
Throughout the concurrent engineering process, from the very beginning to the end, the team members consult and design to the customer requirements.
The first thing you start with is the requirements, which are just words. The customer gives you a set of words. And after that, the designer takes these diagrams and starts to build his hardware. Well, he doesn't do it in terms of drafting anymore. He does it with 3-dimensional Euclid models. So he has to look at these flow diagrams here, and then he does his models from that.
The beauty of this is we're working with one main database. I'm performing producibility analysis. The stress people are performing stress analysis. NC programming is programming the part. Tool design is designing tools for the part based on this main object. Should the object ever change, there will be a requirement for everyone's tooling, everyone's analysis to change also.
Concurrent with the development of the body section was the development of the system avionics. Printed circuit routing, a thermal analysis,
about 60% of the life cycle cost of a new weapon system is based on logistics-driven parameters. So